We're here in the Channel 9 headquarters.
You have to think about
We're filming, Jeff, by the way. We're here in the Channel 9 World headquarters.
Yes.
Otherwise
Hub
known
of the
as
operations.
Otherwise known
it
as.
happens.
Who are you? It's your office, right?
I'm Jeff, and I'm one of the 9 guys.
Yeah.
And
why are we here today?
well, we're about any moment.
I gotta stop laughing.
At any
stop laughing overall.
At any moment, we're going to launch a redesign to Channel 9 that Charles and Adam are working on, and we're going to do a demo about it, and we're going to talk about it. But who are you?
Yeah, who are you?
Yeah.
I'm Adam Kinney. I'm the newest developer on the Channel 9 team.
Very cool.
And very new to Microsoft and everything.
Not new to Channel 9, though.
No. I'm user number 332. So I was on there like right when
332, and we have something like, I don't know, tens of thousands.
20,000 or some registered users, or if you go to the site.
So you were an early user, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
So what have you, and who are you?
I'm Charles.
You're Charles.
And everybody knows who I am by now.
Yeah.
Right?
You're the guy who beats up everybody on the board, so.
I do?
I'm just kidding.
Charles,
No,
you look in the
peaceful.
thing. Yeah, Charles takes the bug requests that customers put in and fixes them and makes sure videos goes up and all sorts of many things.
Yeah.
But
You're one of the main developer,
Yep.
main developer on Channel 9 now, right?
Well, it's nice to have Adam on board, man.
Yeah.
Adam came right on board and just
Trying
Now,
to
who's the
help
better developer here?
well, that's like another.
Oh, we're gonna rat hole there. Okay, I won't take you down that road.
We're a team, you know. We're not trying to trying to get beyond that.
So what have we been working on? I use the term loosely because we've all had a part in it, but.
well, I mean, a lot. I mean,
Yeah.
I've specifically been working on the back-end infrastructure to support the UI work that Adam's done, because he's done all of the new UI work. And in particular, tags. We can now tag our content and play nicely in the tag world, which is what Technorati likes to tag
Yeah,
things.
delicious.
Delicious. That's such a great URL.
Delicious.
Liquor.
Let's do a little bit of a demo.
Yeah, let's
And
do
we
it.
can talk about it a little bit.
Let's see it.
So this is like the new look for Channel 9, and somewhere I'll find my mouse, so it's over on that screen. So here's the new Channel 9. There's really 3 things that we wanted to do with this: freshen up Channel 9 a little bit, just sort of bring it a little bit more forward. Still don't want it to look too corporate. Still wanted to make it look like it stood from its roots.
Yeah.
Number 2, we wanted to make it easier to find stuff. So we've started doing this thing called tagging. So you can see products and technologies down here on the left. And 3, we wanted to expand into more types of content. So if you look over here,
Here is where. Sorry.
up here on right up there.
Okay.
We've got more types of content. So we have videos that we're famous for, but we've got podcasts, which are audio programming available in MP3 or WMA, and screencasts, which are going to be high fidelity demos.
Not like our recordings.
Not like our recordings, but they're going to be much more high fidelity demos, and finally photos, which we've had before.
Very
But
cool.
let me take you around a little bit on the site. This is the home page.
Now, first of all, I noticed that ribbon bar at the top was moving around.
Yeah, if you hover over that, you can see who's online right now at Channel 9.
Oh, cool.
So it's kind of fun. You can look and see who's on there. And got mail from Carter. And basically, you can drill into and look at a particular user. Just by participating in Channel 9, users get a nice little URL, /Niners, /whatever their handle is. And that's just by making a post on Channel 9 they do it. It's kind of blog-like. It's kind of blog-like, but it's, it's just the recent post, and they can drill into that. But the big thing, as Charles mentioned, was tagging. If you went to Channel 9, you went every day, you'd probably have an idea of the content. But imagine if you just showed up at Channel 9 and you said, wow, this is an interesting site. Well, hopefully you say this is an interesting site.
Sure.
And what if you wanted to, find out, something with particular technology? I guess you could search on the site, but better yet is you can just drill in here. So let's go here and let's click on Windows XP. Here I've got a view that shows me all of the media, from screencasts to podcasts and photos, and of course videos that are all tagged with Windows XP. So I can go here and I can look at this Rebecca Norlander video, and here's an updated view of that. Down here on the right, we've got a bunch of other videos that have been tagged like Windows XP.
Now, where did these tags come from?
Well, we tag the content, but the idea behind tag is is that it's really all about these
I
guys.
tag the content.
Yeah.
We-
Adam Todd's.
28 pages of 18 videos per page. I went through and tagged them all. So,
Wow.
but that was part of me just being a little anal, and I wanted to get it done.
Right.
Make sure it was all done right.
Well, thank you for doing it. 'Cause
Yeah,
it sure
yeah.
makes it a lot
Now,
easier.
Scoble, when you post your videos,
You're
man,
gonna have to
you better
tag 'em.
tag them.
All right, I'll
Yeah.
tag.
Understood?
I'm going to be a tagger.
Yeah.
A reluctant. I'll be the reluctant tagger. I think I'll change my name to the reluctant tagger.
But tags are, sites like Technorati and Delicious have been doing tags for a while, and we're doing them exactly the same way. The way that they call out that you're supposed to be creating the link. What is it? href
equals tag.
link rel equals tag, and we've got this page that really shows the tags, and ones that have more content items are a larger font. So if I click on Visual Studio, it brings back more content for that.
Very cool.
That's pretty cool. We've redesigned the site to make it more easier to use. So down here we have, a bunch of more content items on the page. If you click this one here without refreshing the page, it puts a new video up there.
No, wait a second. Try that again.
Shoop!
How did you guys do that? That's cool.
It's magic, man.
It's magic.
It's magic.
Yeah.
Well,
DHTML,
all right. Who
JavaScript, lots of make it work on every browser type stuff, or the higher level browsers. But yeah, it's not.
So this will work on Firefox and.
Definitely. Yeah, that's my browser that I use, so I have to make it work there.
Dean from the IE team's going to come over and visit you.
You can tell he's fresh.
Yeah.
Fresh. He's
Fresh
a clean
meat.
install.
Fresh meat.
Yeah.
We call you fresh meat already.
Equally tested.
I use
between-
Firefox
Yes,
too, and I get a
developed
lot.
with Firefox and IE side by side.
I watched Adam and go in there, and it's actually pretty interesting. He'll watch and he'll refresh, and it's like, here's got Firefox going. He's refreshing there. I watch. Next thing you know, he's refreshing on IE and making sure it works well. Got to
I
serve
even
all
hear
our
there's a
customers.
Mac on our team somewhere.
There is a Mac on our team too, and we test for that as well too.
Yeah, we do.
Um,
You do?
We will. It's like-
So here's our photo log. We've got all these different photos of 9 guys. We can just shuffle through them. You find one that you're interested in, you can go through there, and it'll take you off to that particular video.
Yeah.
What else did we do here, guys? We created the playground, which is just, we've got a lot of random, different, neat things that we do on Channel 9 that doesn't necessarily always fit into our navigation. We've got a little place that we can throw that. CTP Madness is something that Charles did a while ago, and it's been up on Channel 9, but it's a great way to find out which particular CTP builds work with another SQL or Yukon. and things like
CTP
that.
is like Microsoft's code word for
Community-
beta.
Customer tech.
Yeah.
They're not a beta.
They're technical
They're not.
previews.
They're not betas, but they're
Okay.
community tech previews.
Yeah, they're definitely not betas because they're not supported
and the
at all.
quality
Install
of them.
at your own risk.
Yeah.
What else do we got going on here? I don't know. That's about it. I mean, it's just there's
Well,
a lot.
that's a fair amount of.
There's a fair amount of stuff.
Right.
The media page, before we used to have videos up here, you click on media, and now you've got one page that aggregates everything from podcasts to videos to photos to screencasts all together.
Now, what are those orange XML icons?
Gee, I don't know. What is that? Ron?
I know what they are, but maybe the viewer doesn't know.
RSS.
Oh,
they're
that's
definitely not
ugly,
web
yes.
feeds. They're RSS feeds. They're RSS feeds. And at Channel 9, we've got them all over the place. If you want to see the videos that are highlighted, that we as a team think are interesting, that's what we're watching. You subscribe to that one.
The tags are fully RSS supported, so if you want to, you're only interested in anything we do that has to do with the CLR, you can just go to
The CLR
rss.aspx tag equals CLR.
Oh, really?
You'll always get all of our CLR content.
So if you look here, let's
Yeah.
go in, let's
So
just go into here under CLR. Here are our videos around CLR. If you take that orange icon and subscribe to that, you will only get videos that are related to CLR. If you go to that one, you will only get podcasts. And it's just, we scope down to all sorts of levels with RSS. We always
So
have.
we're one of the
Put
first
all in.
corporate websites that's totally RSS'd all the way through.
Totally, man.
When we
From
launched-
the very beginning.
From the very beginning, when we launched back in April, we supported enclosures on Channel 9 and made it so that people could put, if there was a podcasting type, an iPod or a tool like iPod that lets you download those. I mean, over a year ago, we were able to do that, and we've just continued doing that. All of our forums support enclosures. You can. It's a fun way to do it. Just plug an iPod or tool into it, and you can download all the Channel 9 videos into your local machine and have fun with it.
Right. Works great on a media center too with a RSS aggregator.
I've watched you on my big TV at home. It's kind of fun.
Wow.
That's scary. Scobel on a 6-foot screen, you know, whatever
That's
it is.
But yeah, it's been fun. Adam's done a lot of work. It's been great to have him join on the team. Have a Niner help redesign Channel 9.
Yep.
David Shadle, who's not here, but who's really a core part of our team.
Yep.
He's been our designer. He kind of did the original concepts, and we just said, he said, what do you want to focus on? We said 3 things. Let's freshen up the look. Let's try and minimize page refreshes on the home page and things like that. Let's make it easier to find things. We really wanted to do this tagging thing. And finally, we wanted to grow into more types of content, rich media content.
Yep.
And that's what it is.
Very cool.
So what's it been like to join Microsoft?
To join Microsoft.
Yeah, what's it been like to join?
How long have you been here now?
My first day was June 20th.
Dang, and
So
you
I've been here
redesigned
for a while.
the whole
Yeah,
site.
yeah, it was kind of a jump in and go, and there was no in between. It was like, we're going to redesign the site. Okay,
Yeah.
so
That was like your first day here, almost.
my first real day. There's
Yeah.
a little introduction stuff for a while, but yeah. So yeah, it's been great. It's a lot of fun. Like the typical, or what I heard when you first joined Microsoft, you're just overwhelmed by all the stuff, and luckily my wife and kids weren't here, so I had 2 months all to myself to work like 16-hour days or whatever. But yeah, so I'm good. I'm back. My family's here, so back to the 9 to 5 stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
9 to 7, right?
8 to 7, 8 to 8, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
We'll see how it works out. But yeah,
Cool.
it's going good.
Well, glad to have you on the team. And Carmine.
Yeah, definitely. It's been nice having another dev.
Yeah.
It was a
Yeah.
while there for.
Well, good job, both of you.
Thanks,
it's,
man. And,
it's awesome.
We're all going to be at PDC.
We're all
Oh,
going to
yeah.
be at PDC.
Oh, yeah.
So there's going to be a big Channel 9 area, what we call the Big Ass Room, the bar. And there's going to be an area.
Now, wait a
like-
second. HR renamed that.
Oh,
didn't
no. Some printers renamed it, but for
All
me,
right.
if you look on the PDC blog, we've called it the Big Ass Room.
they? Okay.
And that's the big room, and where all the action is going to be happening at the PDC. In the middle of that, you are going to see a bunch of cool beanbags and some big 9 guys and stuff. Watch for that. We'll be hanging around there. We'll be around doing videos and all sorts of stuff at the event. Come by and say hi. Would love to meet any of the Niners or people that come on the website. And hope to
Yeah, I'll
see
be
you at the
there with
PDC.
my camera, and we'll film some interviews
I think
and
we're
stuff.
all going to have cameras at the PDC, which
Oh,
should
yeah.
be cool. So.
Cool.
Cool. Well, thanks for showing us the new stuff.
And who are you?
I'm nobody.
You are heads down trying to get lots of videos ready for PDC.
You should see my whiteboard, man. It's full. So
Nice.
we're gonna have a lot of stuff at the PDC. I'm Robert. You know me. So cool.
Cool. Well,
All
we
right,
should
man.
let you go and nurse your cold. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks.
see you at the PDC.
Good.